Ang dami ng mga apps na AIBs ang ginagamit natin. Ang tanong, are we making money with the technology? So abangan natin, no? Please finish this presentation until the end, and then malalaman natin na talagang we can use this technology to make our asset grow. Kasi whether we like it or not, no, parte na rin ito sa buhay natin, itong technology na to, because this is one of the major trend in the technology today. No? So uh, years from now, makikita natin na another level of application ng artificial intelligence. So, why not, no? Why not gamitin natin itong technology na to in our favor? Not only it's itong mga basic na mga application, so gamitin din natin ito na to grow our money. And that is exactly yun po yung pakay nato for this webinar. So, welcome to Aurum Foundation, no? This is an AI based company, no? Ito yung gumagamit ng mga artificial intelligence na mag-build up ng ating assets para magkaroon tayo ng extra, no, to full-time income. So, Aurum is a decentralized fintech company. Pag sinabi nating decentralized, no? It means walang middleman, no? Walang middleman like in the bank, no? Ang transactions natin in terms of uh, financial transactions, napakabilis, no? I can send money from the Philippines to Japan without so much charge. Mabilis, and then mababa yung transaction fees kasi walang ano it's boundless, no? Walang conversion, and then the same time no, walang mga middlemen. Kaya napaka sobrang bilis sa mga transactions. And fintech, pag sinabi namang fintech, it's a financial technology company. It's a company na technology based, no? Ang mga products and services nila ay nakatutok doon sa finances. Ibig sabihin, pera. No? It's about money. If we talk about a fintech corporation. Now, since we are talking about decentralization, we're talking about financial technology, so we might as well review, no? Magkaroon tayo ng discussion. Saan ba nagsimula yung paggamit natin ng pera? At saan ba pupunta yung technology or yung evolution ng currency? So it started 6,000 before Christ pa, no? Yung mga ano ba sa mga barter deals, no? Yung mga yung ah, mga ano mo, yung rice mo o yung barley mo, pwede mo i-barter sa iba't ibang mga products sa iba't ibang tao, no? In 17th century, doon nagsimula yung mga coins, mga metal na. Then in also in 7th century nag-start na rin yung mga banknotes, yung mga paper money. In 1969, dito lumalabas yung mga cheque, na-invento yung cheque. Then also in 1958, yung mga cards, lumalabas na rin yung mga cards. Then in 1980 to 1997, nag-start na po yung online banking. Di ba? Ah, and then in 2024, yon lumalabas na yung crypto, yung mga digital currency. So the future is CBDC. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng CBDC? Central Bank Digital Currency. So possibly, no, it will the crypto industry, no, will dominate possibly by 2027, no? So those two big trends ngayon ang sinasabayan natin. Yung cryptocurrency at saka yung artificial intelligence. So, back to Aurum. Guys, Aurum is a next generation company na gumagawa ng mga ecosystem, no? Combining AI trading, digital banking, no? AI trading agents, no? Crypto payments and tokenized real world asset. No, ano ba yung goal ng mga products na to within their ecosystem? Napakasimpleng goal, guys, sa isang fintech company like like Aurum, no? The first goal is for us to accumulate, no, and grow digital assets. Ibig sabihin, no, tuturuan tayo that yung money natin, yung pera natin will work for us. Kasi pag may nagtatrabaho, meron tayong extra pera, di ba ilagay natin yan sa bank, most likely sa bank. The problem is, yung pera natin na nilagay doon sa bank does not work for us. Halimbawa, si Coach Ma'am Lani, mayroong $10,000 doon sa bank. After a year, siguro, malaki na yung 2%, 3% na interest yan sa bank. Or kung time deposit yan. Pero kung normal savings na yan, mataas na yung 2%. No? So, if your money is in the bank, no, your money is not working for you, but it's working for the bank. Kaya yung mga bangko, makikita natin, ang laki-laki ng mga buildings nila, mga gusali nila. Diba? Because our money is working for them. Never na ang pera natin nang-work for us. Yung mga pera natin sa bangko. But with Aurum, siguro po yan, no? Money will work for us in this company. Pero guys, now, once we are entering into a fintech company, no? Ibig sabihin, di ba, nabanggit natin, product nila ay about money, no? About digital assets, about currency. So, every time na mag-put up tayo ng pera to any companies, ito ang first question. Is the company licensed or registered? Pag hindi masiguro natin yan na license or may lisensa a certain company, so the moment nag-put up tayo ng pera, mag-start yung kaba natin. Mag-start yung kaba natin, aabot ba ito ng 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 3 buwan, or 1 taon. Kasi di natin na-verify. No, ako, I was so happy na kanina may GC. May GC kami ni Ma'am Lani. My friends siya na nandun sa GC. And then she's asking about the licenses of the company. Yun po yung maganda. No, na we will do our due diligence to check if the company is registered. For me, never put money in a company that is not registered. Hindi na alam natin kung registered siya. Or, kung pwede tayo mag-risk, yung pera na lang kaya mawala. Ilagay natin doon. So, malinaw. So, ang Aurum, guys, is a multi-jurisdiction ang legal foundation niya. No? Meron siyang, right now, Aurum has 5 jurisdiction. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang 4 na countries wherein registered siya. No, pwede nating i-check, ipa-check natin. Yung ating, meron tayong jurisdiction or registration sa Poland, sa Warsaw, Poland. Makikita natin yung number sa baba, KRS 0011172111. No? Meron tayong registration doon sa Dubai, no, sa UAE, mayroong license number naman. Now, we also have a registration in Hong Kong, and this is the first country that Aurum Foundation is registered, no, in November 7 of 2024. No, bagong-bago pa lang, mga 2 years pa lang mahigit. And also we have a business registration in North Vancouver, no, in Canada, no, with company number BC157138. So, yan. No, kung marunong tayo mag-verify, pwede nating i-verify yan, guys. Yung mga registration ng Aurum Foundation. And then, ito, di ba? Ito yung first registration natin in Hong Kong with $1 million authorized capital. Nandito sa right side yung Certificate of Incorporation. And then, if you can check dito sa website natin, our website is aurum.foundation. This is a public website. Makikita natin yung mga products, the company behind doon sa website natin. And also, at the bottom sa website na yan, makikita natin yung address sa Hong Kong. No, if mayroon kayong friends sa Hong Kong, pwedeng papuntahan yan. Unit 503, 5th floor, Silver Court, Tower 230, Canton Road, Tsim Sha Tsui, Hong Kong. Nandito din yung certificate number of registration. Guys, this is my first time promoting a fintech company kasi nakikita ko yung lahat ng mga registration. Kampante ako. This company is a real company. This company will last, no? Kasi kung serious yung company, guys, tandaan natin, kung ang company is serious, willing siya mag-invest ng $1 million, $2 million per country. No, sa Pilipinas, ang requirement din, ganun din, mga $1 million. Basta nasa investment ka, kailangan mo ng mga at least $1 million as capital. Now, ayaw ng mga scam company na mag-put up kasi pag mag-put up sila, alam naman nila na they will not last long. Sobrang laki ng 1 million para mag-put up sila. Kung di naman sila pang long term. So, dito verified natin yung legitimacy ng Aurum Foundation. And ito po yung office nila in Dubai. This is the corporate office in Dubai. Makikita din natin dito yung address ng mismong office ng Aurum sa Dubai. Now, next year, their next market is US. Kasi ang US, guys, is the largest and most influential financial and fintech market in the whole world. Pag makapasok na dyan, lalong sasabog yung business natin. So target nila is 2027. So right now, they are preparing all the licensing and compliance para makapasok sa US market. In fact, all the US citizens ay di pa sila maka-access ng ating website. They need to use a VPN for them to access our website. So ganun ka-stricto ang US market, guys. And not only US, no, sabi ng mga leaders natin, no, kasama sa radar ang Pilipinas sa mga countries na they will also put jurisdiction. So soon it will be realized, guys, yung registration sa Philippine market. Now, IBT, so makita natin dito, no? This is a publication ng IBT. IBT is an International Business Times, no? This is a magazine, is a financial and crypto magazine outlet, no? So nagpapublish sila ng mga articles about crypto. Yun po yung business nila. So in January of 2026, no? January 20 this year lang, no? Nagpalabas sila ng article about 10 10 about 10 crypto companies to invest in 2026. At makikita natin sa baba, guys, no, kasama dito sa top 10 companies to invest in 2026 is the Aurum Foundation, no? Nakahiliran niya yung Serenity, yung BitSwap, yung FunHigh, Metaspace, yung Tron, Ripple, Dogecoin, no, Changelink and Binance Coin. Ibig sabihin, this company is verified kasi ang IBT is napaka-prestigious na magazine outlet ito sa crypto. And then hindi ito basta-basta maggagawa ng article na wala namang basis. Kasama yung Aurum Foundation sa mga top 10 companies to invest in 2026. Now, the second question, guys. Okay, Coach Romel, maganda yung company. License sila. The next question, who leads the company? Kailangan na nating malaman yung mga tao na nagpatakbo ng company. So this is the second question na kailangan nating malaman. So kung meron tayong tamang sagot naman sa registration ng company, dito dapat nating malaman who leads the company kasi dapat malaman natin kung aabot pa ito ng 10 years, 20 years itong company na to kasi sayang yung effort natin, sayang yung pera natin pag hindi natin alam saan papunta itong company na to. So guys, the company is headed by its CEO, si Brian Binson. Brian Binson is a former Binance director for Latin America. No, nagtatrabaho siya as director doon sa finance. Alam naman natin, Binance is the number one crypto exchange in the whole world, no? And aside from that, he is also a Web3 pioneer. Yung Web3 is the internet with the cryptocurrency yun. And then with 27 years of experience sa crypto, blockchain, and decentralized finance. Sabi ni Brian Binson, Binance became a fintech unicorn in just 1 year. But dito sa Aurum, we will take a more conservative approach, no? He set, no, Aurum to become a fintech unicorn in the next 3 years, which is I think malapit na tayo dyan, guys. So mamaya ipakita ko yung roadmap natin, malapit natin makuha yung target ni Brian Binson. Now, Brian Binson, no, aside from he is a real expert sa crypto and blockchain, he is also one of the speakers sa mga big crypto events or conferences in the whole world. And the biggest crypto conference in the whole world is Token 2049. No? Napakalaking event na to. And then every year po ito ginaganap. This is attended by more than 16,000 participants, mga CEOs, mga exchanges, no, mga kapitalista, no, mga business owners. Sila po yung nag-a-attend ng conference na to. Against more than 16,000 yung attendees yan per year. Last year, it was held in Singapore of October 1 to 2, 2025. No, Brian Vinson is one of the speaker along with the CEO of Binance, CEO of Tether, CEO of KuCoin, and the CEO of Tron. No? And not only that, no? Speaker din si Brian Vinson sa Global Blockchain Show. It's another crypto conference, and also is one of the speaker dito sa panel discussion, yung tinatawag na Builders Roundtable, that we talk about Web3, AI, and finance in the future. And lastly, Brian Vinson is a member of this Forbes Finance Council. Ang Forbes Finance Council, this is a prestigious organization for CEOs and business owners, guys. No? This is under the Forbes magazine, and then di po ito basta-basta pasukin, no? So and then Brian Vinson, aside from he is a member of Forbes Finance Council, he is also has its role in that organization, no? He contributes its expertise on AI, Web3, and scalable financial system, no? And then nakaganahan, guys, no? Ito po yung talaga nag-touch sa akin. Now, kasi these two guys, no, is Ma'am Zini and Sir Mars Lubido, no? Couple po sila, and they are the one who brought Aurum Foundation dito sa Pilipinas. Now, at the center of them is CEO Brian Binson. No, pinuntahan talaga nila yung Dubai, yung opisina, at nakausap nila si Brian Binson. So this is part of their due diligence, no, to check the legality and transparency of the company and the people behind. Okay, and not only Brian Binson ang makasama natin ang nagpatakbo ng company. Andrew Isaacs, no? The CEO of Aurum Foundation has, no, 18 plus years of experience sa traditional and technology-based financial institution. For example, no, he worked with Galaxy Digital and Evercore before. And these two companies are fintech company. And he also works with Morgan Stanley. Ang Morgan Stanley naman is a traditional finance company. So, a combination of traditional and fintech, yung experience ni Andrew Isaac. And also we have Ahmad Zen. Ahmad Zen is one of the co-founder and he is the marketing director. And on the right side is Shane Moran. He's the Chief Network Development offer. And then guys, just this month, no, this at the center is Amit Zen, and then itong two persons on the right of Amit Zen is Sir Mars Lubido and Ma'am Zini. They are now in Europe, in Tunisia, no, for a special leaders meeting with Aurum top leaders. So they talk, no, side by side with with Amin Zen, one of the co-founder of Aurum Foundation. And not only that, no, we have Leonardo Galindez, the CEO of our Aurum Exchange, Al Risky, Director of Strategy. We have Nicolas Kelland, Head of Partnership. We have Brent Fulfer and Tobias Bauer. Silang dalawa, they are the BC Advisory. BC is Venture Capital. Sila po yung nag-handle na nagmamanage ng investment ng Aurum Foundation. And we also have Nick Patel and Bukhari Kaloko. Sila po yung in charge sa Africa Relations about our product. Kasi meron tayong gold product. No? Sila po yung nag-handle dyan sa Africa. In fact, itong si Bukhari Kaloko is the former finance minister of the government of Sierra Leone. Actually, guys, no, ang mga tao na nagpundar ng Aurum Foundation, they are a group of 35 plus top-tier professionals with extensive experience talaga sa finance, sa blockchain, and AI-driven trading. Galing po sila sa mga malalaking company like Binance, Morgan Stanley, IBM, Bitget, OKX, and Wise. No? They are composed of 8 data analysts, 10 software developers, and 7 financial analysts. No? With each of them having 12 years experience in their respective field. No, mahirap isipin na ganitong klaseng company ang mga tao ay mag-sit up ng isang company na hindi pala tatagal, no? So parang walang logic diyan pag ganun po yung mangyayari. So ibig sabihin, no, Aurum Foundation is built talaga on a solid ground, no? Mga taong with real experience sa field, and yun, nag-start silang magkaroon ng business registration in multi countries. Okay, now ito naman yung key achievement ng Aurum Foundation since 2024. The asset under management, no, yung asset na nasa trading natin ngayon is more than $600 million, no? So, and then they have 8 products so far, and then the user of Aurum globally nasa 170,000 pa lang. So napakaliit pa yan. Wala pang 1 million yan. So probably, no, before the year ends, no, aabot tayo ng 1 million clients and partners, no, dito sa Aurum Foundation. Now, guys, this is the roadmap. Napaka-importante na to. So, dito tayo sa 2027. Now, target nila is to have a $500 million asset under management. But I will tell you, nakuha na yan. No, pinakita natin kanina na 600 million na ang asset under management ng company. So, wala pang 2027, nakuha na yan. So, I'm sure by 2029, makuha na natin yung 50 billion, no, na valuation ng company. And then maging real yung sinasabi ni Brian Benson that in 3 years time will become the next fintech unicorn. So target nila by 2035 aabot tayo ng $150 billion valuation sa Aurum. So napakalayo pa ng 2035, guys. We still have 9 years to do our own effort, no, to spend time doing this business. Now, the next question is, ang mga products ng Aurum marketable ba? O ano ba yung mga products ng Aurum Foundation? Okay. Now, the first one is the Aurum, no? The Aurum crypto cards. Guys, this card is powered by Visa and Master. No? So means we have a partnership with Visa and Master for this card. So ano ba yung laman ng cards na to? Ang laman ng card na to is crypto asset. No, hindi piso yung laman nito. Crypto asset yung laman ng card na to. So, using this card, you can withdraw or spend your crypto as cash. So pwede mo, kung nasa Pilipinas ka, pwede mo gamitin yung crypto mo as piso. Kung nasa US ka, pwede mo gamitin yung crypto mo as dollar. So it doesn't matter kung isang lugar ka nagpunta, as long as Bitbit crypto asset, you can withdraw it and you can spend it, no, directly from your Aurum card. And then napakataas ng limit dito, guys, no? You can spend up to $100,000 per month at napakababa ng transaction fee na to. Di ba? So, second, we have ito yung example pala ng Aurum Visa card, no? Na nakita natin personally last April 1, 2026. And the second product na meron tayo sa Aurum Foundation is the exchange. Exchange, just like Binance. So dito sa exchange natin, you can buy and sell crypto assets. So means pwede kang mag-trade, pwede kang mag-scalping. You can also stake or you can also hold crypto. Kung sa tingin mo ang Bitcoin, no, in the next 3 years ay maging 10 million, pwede kang bumili ngayon dito sa ating Aurum Exchange. So ang website natin sa ating Aurum Exchange is aurum.exchange. So you can access and you can start selling crypto and buying crypto assets doon sa exchange natin. Ang kagandahan ng ating exchange, this is running on a Polygon network. So it means fast execution at very low transaction fee. So kung mayroon kayong kilala ng mga traders, no, you can recommend our Aurum Exchange for them. Third, meron tayong tokenized. Ito naman yung tokenized real world asset or RWA. So the first RWA meron tayo is gold. No? So anong meron? So when a certain asset, no, real world asset is tokenized, ibig sabihin yan, tayo as ordinary individual, pwede tayong maka-invest ng gold even at a lower amount. No? Kasi pag walang tokenization, no, mahirap mag-invest, no? Tayo mga individual, ordinary person, mahirap tayong mag-invest doon sa mga asset na yun. But with this, no, we can invest as low as $100 for this product. No? At ang kagandahan, meron itong 2-layer model, investment model. So, 50% of your investment goes to real gold. Pero guys, discounted yung gold mo, 30%. And then the other 50% goes to gold trading. So, kikita din yung 50% mo, like 70 to 10% per month na profit, no? Because of the trading done by AI-driven yield execution. So, this is the packages. The minimum is $100. For example, nag-invest ka ng $100 RWA, the $50 goes to real gold. No, discounted ka 30%. Ibig sabihin, you can get, at the time of purchase, meron kang $72 worth of gold, no, that you can get after a year. And then the other $50 goes to gold trading, na ang kita mo every year is 63.6%. No? Kikita ka ng almost $32 per year. At ang gagandahan, hindi yan every year makukuha. It will be credited to your account every day. Kasi every day naman yung trading. So again, yung $100 na investment mo dito sa RWA, the $50 goes to gold, no? Discounted 30%, and then the 50% goes to trading. Na guys, mas malaki yung package sa binili mo, mas malaki yung profit per year. So for $300, that is 65.7% per year. And then for the highest package, the 25,000 package, that is 78.3%. So if meron kang $1,000 dun sa bangko, may savings ka. Again, nabanggit natin kanina, napakaliit ng kita dyan. But if you put that money here sa ating RWA Gold, no, kikita yung $1,000 mo by almost 70% in a year. So ang laking tubo makukuha natin dito with this investment product. And number 4, meron tayong EXEI trading bot. Ito yung mga agents natin that will do the trading for us. And itong EXEI natin, this is our flagship product, no, ang ating EXEI. And then the trading is automatic, kaya tinatawag itong fully autonomous. So ibig sabihin, pag sinabing fully autonomous, we just put a capital and then monitor the result and withdraw the profit. Ganun kasimple lang yung process. And then the performance, the trading is automated, no? Once nag-activate ka ng bot, it will start trading for you, no? Aiming to maximize potential while minimizing risk, no? And guys, proven po ito for the last 2.5 years. No, the result is phenomenal kasi napaka-consistent, no? Ang kita ng trading agent na to for the last 2.5 years is ito yung performance since February of 2023 hanggang January of 2026. The average is 17.5% per month, no? That is 17.5% profit per month. Of course, di natin makukuha ito lahat, yung 17.5%. Why? Kasi may tinatawag tayong client company share. Now, if your investment, okay, dito sa EI na to is $100 to 249, ang profit lang natin is 10.5%. No, that is 60% of 17.5. No, kung ang capital natin is 250, that's 11.37%. Kung nasa $1,000 yung capital natin, yung profit natin every month is 12.24. For $2,500, that's 13.12. For $5,000, that's almost 14% per month. For $10,000, that's almost 15% per month. hinto lang tayo dito sa $10,000. Ang $10,000 ay it's a big amount of money but hindi naman ito grabe ka sobrang laki sa panahon ngayon. So say for example, nag-put up ka ng $10,000. Ang kita mo dito is 14.87%. So ibig sabihin every month you will earn $1,487 per month. That's more than 19,000 pesos. No? That's really money working for you using this EI product. Now, kung mayroon ka lang $1,000, kung may $1,000 ka, that's 12.24%. So $1,000 mo ay kikita ng $120 per month. That's more than 7,500. No? Who else can give us that kind of return doon sa pera natin sa isang company na talagang hindi tayo kagabahan? No, dito lang yan sa Aurum Foundation. So it's up to you. You can start at 100 and then top up, dagdagan mo lang yung capital mo para mas malaki yung kita. Now, ang kagandahan ng product na to, meron itong compounding features. Ibig sabihin, for example lang, kung nakalagay ka ng $10,000, di ba, may kita ka ng 14.87%. That is 1,487. So, pwede mo i-compound. No? Pwede mo i-compound mo yung kita mo para in the next month, maging 11,487 na yung capital mo. Guys, if we check the result, no, yung $10,000 natin maging $20,000 in 5 months, maging times 3 after 8 months, maging times 4 after 10 months, maging times 5 mahigit after 5 years. Di ba? Mas mabilis mag-double yung pera natin sa compounding. But that is an option. No, you can choose to compound or you can choose to withdraw. And see not to compound. So, kung i-compound mo yung kita mo, it will be added to the capital. Kung walang compounding, so pwede mo ma-withdraw every time, anytime, may profit ka. Okay? So, yan po yung napagagandang features ng product na to. And then also, for the sake of transparency, I have to discuss this operating regulation sa EXEI. So, ang minimum withdrawal is $25 and then the charge is only 1%. Napakaliit ng charge and then mayroon itong 35% termination fee for early withdrawal. So lahat ng mga kapital, ang kapital natin sa XEI, mayroong contract yan na 365 days. No? This is our capital. Now, in case of emergency, pag gusto nating i-withdraw yung capital natin, walang problema. May schedule yan. Naka-schedule on the 1st, 10th, and 20th of the month. No? Ito yung mga dates na pwede ka mag-withdraw ng capital mo. No? And kung withdrawal mo is within, no? Within the 365 days period, meron itong charge na 35%. Okay? Why? Bakit mayroong charge na 35%? Kasi guys, once we put up a capital dito sa ating mga robots, no? The company pays commission kasi mayroon itong partner program. Nagbabayad siya ng commission at saka rewards. Now, if itong system na to will be abused, meaning to say, naglagay tayo ng pera doon, nagbabayad sila ng commission, and then ipo-pull out natin with a charge, the company will collapse. So, this is what we call the safety net sa company. So, again, meron pa rin tayong control sa pera natin. But after 1 year, guys, wala na itong termination fee. No, i-compare natin yan sa insurance. Pag nabayad ka ng premium sa insurance for 1 year and then gusto mong kunin yung nabayad mo, wala kang makukuha talaga. For real estate naman, if you have paid monthly for 1 year sa mga nabayad mo sa isang condominium unit and then nag-stop ka, gusto mong kunin, wala kang makukuha. Maliban lang kung umabot ka ng 2 years of payment, protected ka na sa Masida Law. But dito guys, no, meron pa yung tayong control sa pera natin. And this is very fair naman na contract. Okay, now yung pangalawang bot natin, pangalawang AI agent natin, this is our number 5 product, itong EXEI Pro, no? Ito naman yung upgraded version. So, ang advantage po ng Pro na to, no? You can withdraw anytime. Wala po itong kontrata sa kapital. You can withdraw your capital at any time. And then yung kita nito every month is nasa 10% lang, up to 10% lang. I think the average is mga 4 to 6 na percent per month. Napakataas. Yung maximum niya is 10%. And then required na meron kang active na AXEI. No, yung first trading agent natin. You can use this pag meron kang active subscription doon sa AXEI natin. Okay? Then our third trading agent, trading AI, this is our sixth product. Itong tinatawag natin na Zeus AI. So ano ba yung kaibahan ng product na to compared to other AI trading agent? So dito guys, no? Walang problema, wala din itong contract. You can still withdraw your capital at any time with the standard 1% na withdrawal fee. Processing time is 72 hours plus yung network fee. And then ang kaibahan nito, up to 10, number one, up to 15% yung profit natin in a month. So mas malaki siya. And then yung kikitain natin dito is in terms of BTC, Ethereum, PP, BNB, Solana or DATS. So yung kita natin dito depende sa tinitrade natin na asset. No, unlike yung sa dalawang trading agent, yung EXEI and the Pro, ang kita natin doon is USDT. But dito naman is depende kung ano po yung tinitrade natin. So again, wala po itong contract, and then the profit per month is up to 15%. And number 7, we have this trading AI agent. This is Nero. This is a non-custodial trading agents. Ibig sabihin from your wallet straight to trading platform. And then naka-beta testing pa lang to. Mga 4 months yung testing niya, but for the testing for the last 4 months, nasa 30% yung yung average na kita ng agent na to. Okay, so beta testing, it means hindi pa available ang lahat ng mga functionality. But you can start, no? You can also try this trading agent kasi mataas yung return. The minimum amount is 250 US dollar for this Nero agent. And lastly, meron tayong neobank. This is our digital bank, no? So, ano ba yung pwedeng magawa ng ating digital bank? You can spend, no, and top up crypto. You can also activate your crypto cards here. You can manage your AI trading bots. You can also see the live trading results sa mga trading ng mga bots natin. Okay? Available po ito sa iStore, sa Play Store, at sa Telegram. And since yung Telegram, hindi siya stricto, no? So, mas mabilis siya, mas maganda siyang gamitin doon sa Telegram. You just search on Aurum Neobank. Okay? So, ito naman yung mga upcoming products natin. Hindi pa ito available So meron tayong Aurum na POS system that accepts crypto as payments. We have this upcoming Aurum ATM machine, and then meron tayong coming soon na tokenized RWA na real estate sa Bali, Indonesia. Coming soon nito. And also we have this coming partnership with Tangem. Tangem guys is a cold wallet, no? So Aurum will be partnering also Tangem in I don't know when, basta coming soon itong product na to. So I'm also excited for this new product, new partnership. Now, how to get started? Paano ba tayo mag-start dito sa Aurum Foundation? Napakasimple guys. If you're interested to join with us, no? Just ask the link, no, from someone who invited you para makapag-start ka. Mag-sign up ka free, and then you can top up once you want to join, and then you select anong product gusto mong i-avail dito sa ecosystem natin. And yun, before you can avail our products within the ecosystem of Aurum, no, kailangan natin magbayad muna ng $19.99 per year subscription. Because yung business ng Aurum, pinatakbo siya sa subscription. Parang Netflix, no? You cannot access their movies pag hindi ka active sa membership mo, sa subscription mo. So, dito sa atin, napaka-affordable. That's almost $20 per year lang. No, after paying the $19.99 per year, you can top up your account, mag-load ka, and then select an AI to start trading for you automatically. No? Just set it and forget it, and watch your money grow daily and withdraw, no, anytime na gusto kang mag-withdraw. Okay, now this is since ang EXEI is our flagship product and proven po ito for 2.5 years. This is the first product that I want you to use. no, the XEI. Kasi aside from napaka-stable na to, 17.5% per month, no? So the bigger is your capital, the bigger is your monthly profit. And for me guys, this is what I'm building right now, the $10,000 capital, no? So kasi yung 1,487 na kikitain ko per month is more than enough to pay my expenses, no? Personal expenses or expenses po sa bahay. And then if I want to compound it, no? If I want to compound it, yung $10,000 ko ay maging times 5 in 1 year. Kaya ako guys, I have several accounts. Meron akong withdrawing account, meron din akong compound for accounts for compounding. So, yun po yung ginagawa natin. And then doon sa back office natin, meron diyang profit calculator. So, pwede mong laruin yung profit calculator to determine kung yung pera mo saan aabot after 2 years, no? After 3 years, or after 5 years na i-compounding. So, for the sake of example lang, ang $10,000 mo na kapital, pag nilagay mo dito and then you compound it for 2 years, guys, it will become $461,000 in uh, in 2 years lang. 'Di ba? So, napaka-consistent ng robot natin. So, if that consistency, no, ay mamimaintain 3, 5, 10 years from now, these numbers ay talaga makukuha natin. That's how the power of compounding works. Now, this is also an example, no, sa totoong kita talaga for the $10,000 account. Ang kita ng $10,000 account nasa 44 to 6 to 74,000, $74 per day, no, na pwede the minimum withdrawal is $25, di ba? So you can withdraw every day. But for this account, makikita natin dito is yung type of transaction is reinvestment. Reinvestment, ibig sabihin, it is compounded. It is compounded. No? And then, so aside from the AXEI product na dapat una po yung natin na gagamitin, if you have extra money, you can also try our Nero. No, this is the minimum is $250. So my advice is you pay the $19.99, you top up for the AXEI, and kung may extra ka pa, you can also top up for the Nero AI agent. Now, proceed na tayo sa question na to. Can I make money without recruiting people, or is money working for me? Yes. Why? Once you join Aurum as a client, you become an investor. At as an investor, your money will work for you. So mean to say, recruitment is not required. No? Okay, unlike other companies, pag pumasok ka, nasa business ka eh. No, kailangan mong recruit para makapira ka, and then someday you can become an investor. Dito sa Aurum Foundation, automatically you are an investor. And money will start working for you. And then, hindi tayo matatamaan sa kasabihan nito ni Warren Buffett, no? If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. No? Ano lang, sa atin lang, ang daming mga Pilipino na working every day. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Yung iba malayo pa. Malayo pa sa mga mahal na buhay nila. So thanks to Aurum, binigyan tayo ng magandang opportunity na yung pera talaga natin will be working for us. No? Even if we will not refer or recruit someone. Okay, so may nagtatanong din sa akin, can I withdraw? How can I withdraw my asset? Or how can I withdraw my profit? No? How can I withdraw my funds, my capital? Guys, napaka-simple. No, sa back office natin, mayroong button yan na withdrawal. So just click on the withdrawal. Lalabas itong USDT Tether na asset. You just paste your wallet address. Copy-paste pa lang dito, and then you select the network that you desire and then continue. Then evidence of withdrawals, no? Ang daming mga ebidensya na. So far, wala tayong paltos in terms of withdrawal. So within 48 to 72 hours after withdrawal, pasok yung profit natin. So ito po yung mga example of withdrawals, no? Like $10,000 per 5,500. This is an account from one of our mentors, si Sir Mars Lobido. Okay, now let's talk about risk. No, every company guys, especially fintech company, has its own risk. Pero ang masisiguro ko po dito sa ating lahat, wala po itong scam risk. Wala itong scamming risk. Ang risk lang natin dito is very minimal and calculated kasi alam naman natin that the company is licensed, the company is registered, and the people behind the company are real people with real experience. So, once you put up an investment sa Orom, hindi ka kakabahan kung aabot ba yung pera mo the next 2 months. Okay? Now, ang Orom Foundation guys is one ecosystem but mayroon siyang dalawang rules. Pero puro unlimited yung income potentials. The first rule is be a client. Kahit client ka lang, gumagamit ka lang ng mga products natin, yung crypto cards, yung ating mga trading AI agents, and focus on your capital. You can still earn unlimited income. Di ba? So naglagay ka ng $1,000, ng $2,000, pinalago mo yan, may extra ka, nagtatap up ka, and then nag-diversify ka sa ibang mga products natin within ecosystem. Bumili ka ng RWE, bumili ka ng RWE na from Bali, Indonesia, nag-avail ka ng ating new banking, di ba? Naggumamit kang nanero. So pili kang kumikita just being a client. A client. And the other rule is be a partner. So as a partner, you can build a global network. No? No, you can build a global network of satisfied clients and partners. And yun, you can enjoy beyond your imagination sa mga potentials na gusto mong makuha. No? Yun po yung kagandahan ng Orong Foundation. And then for those of you na interested na magiging partner, no? Watch this partner program presentation. This is very short, guys, no? This is very short partner program presentation only for those who want, no, to earn more money by sharing the Orom products to your friends. So meron tayong 5 ways to earn. Yung direct sales or direct referral up to 18.5%. Yung team sales, this is an override sa team mo up to 18.5%. We have an extra bonus, napakalaki na extra bonus natin, and we have the profit share. Ang profit share naman natin, this is a profit from your team's profit. Pag nag-profit yung team mo, mayroon kang profit share up to 30%. And meron din tayong shareholder bonus. Ang shareholder bonus, this is the company's bonus to be given every 3 months for those who qualify for a certain rank. Okay, so let's dive in sa ating ano po, sa ating partner program presentation. So mayroon tinatawag na legacy volume or LV. Ito po, LV to ha. Yung LV natin, actually this is just for ranking purposes, and this is equivalent to 40% of the total team capital. Okay? So again, LV is just 40% of the team capital. So focus tayo sa LV for ranking. So the first rank dito sa Aurum Foundation is NOVA. Yung NOVA is wala ka pang wala ka pang volume, no? Personal mo lang na kapital na $100. Now once you refer someone, friend mo na gumagamit ng AXAI, okay? Naglagay ng $100 na kapital, meron kang 3% na kita diyan. 3% from the $100 na kapital. So every time nag-compound siya, kumikita ka rin ng another 10%. Every time nag-top up siya, nagdagdag siya, kikita ka rin ng 3%. Ito lang yung kikitain mo pag yung rank mo is NOVA. You need to jump into a Voyager, no? Voyager is kailangan mo ng $7,500 na capital sa team or the equivalent of 3,000 LV. So again, that's 40% from the trading capital. Pag nag 3,000 LV ka, yung direct commission mo will become 5%. So kung mayroon kang bagong na referral, 5% na yung direct commission mo. At ang kagandahan yan, may mga team ka na nasa 3% pa. So every time yung mga 3% team mo may pinapasok, no? The difference of 5 and 3 is 2%. Yun po yung tinatawag natin na team sales. Higher minus lower, no? So ang kailangan na lang contribution mo sa trading capital is $100. bibigyan ka ng company ng $100 bonus. At dito mag-start yung profit from the team profit na 5%. So, kung yung team mo kumikita ng $100 per day, meron kang $5 na profit share. Now, when your trading capital sa team umaabot ng $25,000 or 10,000 LV, maging 7% na yung direct commission mo, you need to have $300 na personal trading capital, pero bibigyan ka naman ng $500 na reward. At yung profit share mo from the team, maging 7.5%. Now, maging Vanguard Pro ka, pag yung LV mo is 25,000, 9% naman yung direct commission mo, kailangan mo ng $750 sa trading capital, but you can get a reward of 1,000 capital mo. And then your profit from the team profit is 10%. Once your LB reach 50,000, you become Nexus. As a Nexus, maging 10.5% yung direct commission mo. Kailangan mo ng 1.5 na trading capital, but you can get $2,000 in extra bonus. At yung profit mo from the team is 12.5%. Once your LB hits 100,000 LB, maging Oracle ka. 12% ka na sa direct commission. Kailangan mo ng $3,000 trading capital, but you can get $5,000 reward. 15% naman yung profit mo from the team profit, at makasama ka na sa shareholder bonus at 0.5% from the company's profit for the last 3 months. Then guys, you will become an Aurum Prime pag na-hit mo ang 250,000 LV, no? 13.5% na yung direct commission mo, 6,000 yung trading capital mo, but you can get $10,000 in reward. And your profit from the team's profit is 17.5%. Guys, the bigger is your LB, the bigger will be your direct commission up to 18.5%. The bigger will be your bonus up to $3 million bonus yung makukuha natin sa Aurum, guys. Sa bonus pa lang, milyonaryo na tayo. And yung profit from the team profits 30%, at tataas din yung shareholder bonus. So siguro you will ask, may naka-achieve na ba ng mga rank na yan? Of course. Yung ating sponsor, no? Yung mga tao na nagdala ng Aurum Foundation sa Pilipinas this year, no? Yung level nila ngayon is nasa Magnat Aurum Magnat, no? Papunta na po sila sa Mythos. Yung Magnat, guys, ang reward dyan is $50,000. Din dalawa silang Magnat. Natanggap nila in April is dalawang $50,000. Grabe, no? And then the sponsor of Sir Mars is si Soman. Nasa Manila ngayon si Soman eh. Okay? He is a legend level. And then as a legend, he already received $150,000 in reward. And the sponsor of Soman is si Yudes Paul or HP. His level is Aurum Pantheon. He already received $2 million reward. And of course, the sponsor of Huge Poll is si Tom Smith. No? He's an alpha. Guys, just this month, last month, he already received his $3 million reward. This is Tom Smith, no? Sitting side by side with the marketing director si Amidsen. Guys, grabe ang opportunity if you build your Aurum Partner Program. Okay? And then, ang total rank up bonus na makukuha natin dito sa Aurum is $6.8 million. Sa rank bonus pa lang dyan, hindi kasama yung direct sales bonus, hindi kasama yung shareholder bonus, hindi kasama yung profit sharing bonus, hindi kasama yung income from our own trading. Diba? Sobrang laki. And then I found out na para makuha pala natin yung pinakamataas na rank of alpha, 3 directs lang kailangan natin or 3 legs lang i-build natin, guys. So you need to get your 3 partners ASAP, and then yung excess of 3 ibigay mo na sa ilalim. Now guys, with perfect duplication, pwede natin makuha yung alpha rank in just 14 months. No? 100% duplication. No? Mayroon tayong 3 direct na nag-put up lang ng $100 capital sa bot. No? And then with perfect duplication, wow, alpha ka. Ma-alpha tayo in just 14 months. And We're going to the end of the presentation na. So ito yung mga reasons why bakit pa tayo mag-join ng Aurum Foundation. Okay? So first is nasa concentration stage na tayo. Wala pa tayo sa momentum stage. No, napasa parang between the formulation and the concentration. So ibig sabihin napaka early pa natin, no? We have all the world, no, to become our prospects kung gusto natin mag-build ng partner program. But if you just want to be a client, walang problema. The opportunity is always there as a client. Okay? And then, yun, yung Aurum Foundation, napaka-transparent. Makita natin yung registration ng company, no, ang people behind the company. And then the transaction is madaling tingnan. Wala tayong copy and pasting dito, guys, ha. Wala tayong copy paste sa trading. It's totally hands-free. And then every time mag-withdraw ka, you don't need to ask permission from the support, no? And number 5, no, walang pabago-bagong links. Isa lang yung website natin, aurum.foundation, at makikita natin yung totoong result ng trading natin. And the withdrawal fee is only 1%. Not 10%, not 12%, but only 1%. And now, we have 8 products to choose sa ecosystem natin. And this is the what we call the 5 pillar of success. No? Bakit tayo sasali ng Aurum? We are in the right industry. No, nasa artificial intelligence technology tayo, nasa crypto industry tayo. That's also one of the biggest industry. No? And number 2, we are in the right company. Totoong company, totoong license, and then the company, the only company that is offering this kind of opportunity sa mga members nila. Number 3, right leadership. Alam naman natin sino yung nag-lead ng company na to, no other than the team of Brian Binson. And we have the right products. Guys, hindi po tayo nagbibinta dito ng mga food supplements. Ang daming nagbibinta ng mga supplements. Hayaan lang natin sila doon. No? Ang gawin lang natin dito is we just use the product. Use their product that creates money for us. No? So napakaganda ng produktong bibigay sa atin ng income. Yung pambili natin ng mga food supplements, pwede natin kunin dito sa Aurum Foundation. And of course, we are at the right place at the right time. Kasi wala pa tayo sa momentum stage. Okay? So that's it. And I suggest na guys, no? Kung sino man yung hindi pa mga members dito, just go to the person that refers this to you. Do your own research and see you on board. And then, di ba AI tayo guys, no? So, yung ano natin kanina is, can AI make us more richer? Actually, the answer is yes. No? The answer is yes if you start, no, your AI trading with Aurum Foundation. And siguro bigyan ko lang kayo ng tip, pwede kayo gumagamit ng ChatGPT, also the Grooks, yung AI ng X to ask, no? I-ask mo kay GPT and other AI na is Aurum legit? You can find there mga issues, no? Yun po rin yung na-experience ko for the last 2 weeks, no? Kaya ako nag-study ng maayos kasi nakita ko doon sa ChatGPT sa ibang AI na mayroong red flag pala si Aurum Foundation sa Russia and Nigeria. So mayroong warning yung Russia and Nigerian government na Aurum has no registration in their country, which is true naman. Even sa Philippines, wala pa tayong registration dito. Pero may license na in foreign countries and coming sa US. Pero kung magwiwi tayo guys, nasa crypto, nasa AI namang industry natin, wala namang itong physical product. Ang daming mga fintech company dito or mga trading companies na nasa Pilipinas na wala pang registration. Di ba? Ay importante lang, registered na sila sa ibang bansa. Yung ibang pwede nating papasukan dito, ang daming nag-alok sa akin, walang kahit isang registration anywhere in the world. Yun po yung problema. Sino yung natin, saan tayo pupunta pag mayroong major problem? Di ba? So, once you research doon sa mga AI-based na mga assistant like GPT, you can see yung mga concerns sa Russia and Nigeria, which is true naman. But pag sinabi nilang, oh, don't join Aurum Foundation kasi it's a Ponzi scheme. Yung Ponzi scheme, guys, ano yun? Yung kita mo galing sa mga PINs ng mga tao sa ilalim mo. Hindi po in the case sa Aurum Foundation kasi yung kita natin dito galing sa trading yan. Di ba? Binanggit natin kanina, kahit hindi ka mag-refer, you can still earn money because of AI. AI agent trading for us. May mga issue dyan na nagmi-mention about withdrawal problem. Okay? And then, so far in my experience, I have withdrawn 4 times. Sila si Sir Mars nag-withdraw many times. Wala naman tayong problema sa withdrawal. But again, yung mga friends natin na sigurong ayaw pa maniwala sa atin, we have to respect their opinion. Kasi opinion meron sila. But we have our facts. Ako na-check yan many times, no, na walang problema. And ako ay isang talagang partner ng Aurum. And then ang daming nagsasabi ng di maganda sa Aurum pero hindi naman sila member. Hindi naman sila user. Di ba? So we have to do our research, but we need to be positive, no? Kailangan natin i-check, i-validate natin yung mga accusations na yun kasi ang daming mga vloggers din na gumagawa ng mga content just for the sake of having views, not for the sake of the truth or transparency. Okay, so ito guys, pakita ko lang ito. This is this is a video na lang about how credible or how amazing
Hey everyone,
is
good morning.
our
I'm
cards.
here right now in DPI, ATM New Zealand here. And I'm gonna test this Aurum card, Visa card. Come on. So what we're gonna do is we will withdraw. Okay, we will withdraw. Start in. And it's gonna be asking PIN. So again, this card contains crypto asset. So I'm gonna withdraw 10,000, and it's savings. So I just commanded for these are a $250 fee for that 10,000. So yes. And let's see what will happen. So take the card out and say, get your card. What, look. So I got another 10.